Hello, how are you? I hope you're okay. Did you have a nice weekend? I hope so. And I hope that you are continuing to study English, okay? And practicing those numbers, all right? Um, anyway, okay, we'll come back to this. So, today we're going to start by practicing the vocabulary for towns and transport. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let's see if you can remember all of the words. Okay, so places in the town. Remember, what is this?
Bookshop.
It's a bookshop. Very good. What is this?
Cafe.
That's right, it's a cafe. What is this?
Cinema.
It's a cinema. What is this?
Hospital.
It's a hospital. What is this?
Restaurant.
It's a restaurant. What is this?
Supermarket.
It's a supermarket. What is this? Delicious.
Sweet shop.
It's a sweet shop. What is this?
Swimming pool.
Yep, it's a swimming pool. Oh, another good one. What is this?
Toy shop.
That's right, a toy shop. Oh, and this lovely place?
Zoo.
It's a zoo. Oh, what is this? Do you remember transport? This is
Boat.
a boat. What is this?
Bus.
That's right, it's a bus. What is this?
Helicopter.
That's a helicopter. And what is this?
Lorry.
A lorry. Very good. And this?
Motorbike.
It's a motorbike. And this? What is this?
Train.
It's a train. Very good. Now, did you remember all the words? Okay. Well, let's play the maze activity. Okay. So let's listen and see if we can find the correct picture. Are you ready?
There's a cafe.
There's a cafe. Which one is the cafe? Do you know? That's right, it's this one.
There are 4 motorbikes.
There are 4 motorbikes. Can you see the motorbike? Very good.
There are 2 trains.
There are 2 trains. Which picture is it? Yep, this one. 2 trains.
There's a restaurant.
There's a restaurant. Which one is the restaurant? That's right, it's this one.
There are 3 buses.
There are 3 buses. Do you know which picture? That's right, this picture.
There's a bookshop.
Which one is the bookshop? Which one is the bookshop? Oh, this looks like a bookshop.
There's a zoo.
There's a zoo. Is this a zoo? No. This is a zoo.
There's a sweet shop.
Ooh, a sweet shop. Which one is the sweet shop? Do you remember? It's this one. with all the sweets.
There's a supermarket.
There's a supermarket. Which picture is the supermarket? Yeah, it's this one.
There's a swimming pool.
There's a swimming pool. Which one is the swimming pool? I think it's this one.
There's a cinema.
Oh, and there's a cinema. Is it this one or this one? That's right. This is the cinema. Very good. Okay. Now, let's continue with the pupils book today. Okay. So, open your pupils book and we're going to go to page 82. Okay, which is Unit 7, Lesson 6. Okay, Unit 7, Lesson 6. Okay, very good. Do you have the correct page? All right, now, on this page, we're going to read and listen about traveling in England. Okay, now travel is when you move from one place to another. Travel. Viajar. Okay, this is travel. Now, in England, we'd like to travel by bike. Can you see the bikes? These are bikes. And we call this cycling. Can you see here the word cycling? And here is the word bike. So these are bikes, okay? And when we go on a bike, when we travel on a bike, it's called cycling. Now, what is this thing here? What is this thing? This is called a rickshaw. A rickshaw. Yep, so there's a bike on the front and some people sitting on the back. Okay, so we're going to read about children in the UK. Okay, so let's read and listen. Okay, read and listen. Are you ready?
On Monday, there's a cycling class in the school playground.
On Saturday, we go shopping. We go to the town centre by bike with Mum.
They go shopping. Maybe to the supermarket.
This is a rickshaw. It's got 3 wheels. You can see our town in a rickshaw. There are lots of things to see.
Okay, so this was the rickshaw. All right.
There are lots of bikes in our town. Oh no! Where's my bike?
Okay, can you see all the bikes? There are lots of bikes in the town. Okay. Very good. So, do you like cycling? Can you ride a bike? Okay, well, now what we're going to do is we're going to open our notebook. Okay, let's open the notebook. Okay, now the title today in the notebook is Travel. Okay, Travel, viajar. Okay, so this is our title. All right. Travel. And the date today is Monday, the 27th of April. Okay, so let's write the date and the title in the notebook. And I have a question for you to copy. How do you travel in your town? How do you travel in your town with your mom and dad? How do you travel? Now, you can say, I travel by bike. Yeah, so this is a bicycle, cycling, okay? You can travel by car. Okay. Maybe your mum and dad have a car. You can travel by boat. If you live near a river, you can travel by boat. You can travel by bus. Okay. Maybe you take the bus with your mum and dad. And you can travel by train. Okay. So, how do you like to travel in your town? In Constantine or in Tarragona? By bike, by car, by boat, by bus, by train. Let's copy all of this in the notebook. Okay, so we'll copy all of this in the notebook. All right, how do you travel in your town? I travel by bike, cycling, by car, by boat, by bus, by train. Okay, pause the video and you can copy this in your book. Have you finished? Okay, very good. Now, the last thing to write in the notebook is this sentence, okay? So, you choose one, and we're going to say, in my town, I travel, and then you write whichever one is your favorite, okay? So, for example, for me, in my town, I travel by bus. Ooh, I travel by bus. How do you travel in your town? Okay, let's write the sentence. In my town, I travel. Okay, and you choose. Okay, have you finished? Very good. Now we can go back and we can go to the activity book. Okay, so open your activity book. Okay. Now, in the activity book, we are going to be doing, okay, page 75. So that's Unit 7, Lesson 6. Okay, and it should say British Culture up here in the top. Okay, Unit 7, Lesson 6. Okay, now let's have a look. Do you have the page? Okay. Now, do you remember what this is called? Okay, well, if you don't, this is called a rickshaw. Okay, now we're going to take the rickshaw and we're going to travel to all the different places in the town. Okay, can you see the different places in the town? Let's have a look. There's the cinema. You can repeat, okay? Listen and repeat. There is a cinema. There is a cafe. There is a bookshop. There is a toy shop. There is a sweet shop. And there is a swimming pool. Okay. Can you see all of the different places? So let's listen. And what we have to do is draw the line, okay, to show where we travel. Okay. So the first place we travel is the cinema. Okay, so we draw the line to the cinema and we write number 1 in the box. Now we have to listen and see where is the next place. Is it the cafe? Oh, is it the cafe? Is it the swimming pool? Is it the toy shop? Okay, so let's listen and draw the line. Okay, are you ready?
One.
Let's ride on a rickshaw.
Good idea. There are lots of things to see in our town.
Look, there's a cinema.
Oh, yes. I love the cinema.
Did you listen? Okay, so they say, look, there's the cinema. So we draw the line and write number 1. Now let's listen for number 2.
2.
Can you see the cafe?
Yes, I can.
I'm hungry.
We can't stop. Sorry.
Okay. Did you listen? Which place was it? That's right. They said, can you see the cafe? The cafe. Okay. So we can draw our line. Okay. So let's draw our line going to the cafe. Okay. And in the box next to the cafe, we can write number 2. Okay. Very good. Let's listen for number 3.
3.
Look, there's a bookshop.
I can see lots of books.
Me too.
Did you listen? They said, look, there's a bookshop. A bookshop. Can you see the bookshop? Let's draw the line and go to the bookshop. Okay, so let's draw our line. And we go to the bookshop. Okay, and what number do we write in the bookshop? Number 3. That's right. Let's put number 3. Okay, let's listen for number 4. Okay, listen carefully.
4.
Can you see the sweet shop?
Yes, I can.
Can we stop, please?
No, sorry.
Did you listen? They said, can you see the sweet shop? Very good. The sweet shop. So let's draw a line to the sweet shop. Okay. Draw a line. And what number do we write in the box? What number? Number 4. Very good. Okay. Now let's listen for number 5.
5.
Look, there's a fantastic toy shop.
I can see a ball.
And I can see a scooter.
Did you listen? They said, there's a fantastic toy shop. A toy shop. Can you see the toy shop? Yeah, here it is. Let's draw the line. So we draw the line going from the sweet shop and up to the toy shop. Okay. And what number do we write in the toy shop? Yeah, that's right, number 5. Very good. Okay, excellent. Let's listen for number 6. Are you ready?
6.
There's the swimming pool.
There are lots of bikes too.
That's right.
Did you listen? They said, there's the swimming pool. Can you see the swimming pool? Okay, let's draw the line. Going from the toy shop over all the way to the swimming pool. And what number do we write in the swimming pool? Very good, number 6. That's correct. Okay. All right, so now we finished. Okay, so we have our line going to the cinema, the cafe, the bookshop, the sweet shop, the toy shop, and the swimming pool. Okay, and there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, make sure you have everything correct in your notebook, in your activity book. Okay. All right, have you finished everything? Very good. Now we can continue. All right, let's have a look here. Now it says here, how do you travel in your town? do you remember from the notebook? How do you travel in your town? Yeah, look, that's what we wrote. How do you travel in your town? And we can tick the correct answer. Okay, so do you remember? How do you travel in your town? By bike, by car, by boat, by bus, or by train? So you can tick the correct one. Okay, which one is correct for you? I travel by boat, I travel by train, I travel by bus, I travel by car, or I travel by bike. Now for me, I travel by bus. So I'm going to put a tick here. But that's for me. Maybe for you it's different. Maybe you travel by car. Okay, but I travel by bus. So I put a tick in the box. All right, and now here I'm going to say, I'm just going to write the phrase again. I travel by bus. Okay, just like it says here, I travel by bus. Okay, so I just copied it here. I travel by bus. Maybe it's different for you. Okay, now if you travel by car, you write here, I travel by car. If you travel by bike, okay, you write, I travel by bike. Okay, so let's write the phrase. Have you finished? Okay, very good. Now the last thing to do today is to draw a picture of the transport. Okay, so I put bus, so I'm going to draw a picture of a bus. Okay, so there's my bus with its strange wheels. Okay, here's the door. And here are the windows. Okay, here's my bus. And then this is me. Okay, so the last thing you do is you write your phrase and you draw a little picture. Okay, so if you put I travel by bus, you draw a picture of a bus. If you put I travel by car, then you put a picture of a car. Okay, so write the phrase and draw the picture. Okay, very good. Have you finished everything? Okay. All right, so just to recap, all right, we should have this page finished in our activity book, page 75, Unit 7, Lesson 6, okay? We should have all of this copied in the notebook, okay? Have you copied this in your notebook? Okay, and did you finish the sentence? In my town, I travel. Okay, so make sure you have this finished. Okay, and then in the pupils book, all we did was read the story here. So we're just reading the story. Okay. Okay, so if you finished everything, then we can stop the class, okay? Very good work today. Okay, good job. And I shall see you on Wednesday for another English class, okay? All right. Very good. See you later. Bye-bye.